in from Budapest. In Vienna now. Dude, I'm completely tired, but yeah, I'm just gonna grab a beer and have a little food and probably turn in early tonight, believe it or not. Budapest destroyed me, man. It's respectable though. I mean, it's a little heavy, so yeah, gonna do that. Alright guys, I'm here in Vienna, taking the tour, the free walking tour. It's kind of awesome. I love these free walking tours, man. Like, you learn so much in like so little time. So, we're just walking around, talking about like all the cool Habsburg, money, crazy buildings and shit. It's pretty cool. We get some schnitzel maybe later.
Also here, if you take a look in front of you, we see a statue of a really important man. His name is Franz Joseph I, and he was considered to be the eternal emperor because he ruled the longest of all the Habsburgers. He actually ruled for 68 years.
Vienna. This is, dude, it's freaking Christmas and it's fucking gorgeous out here. I was telling them, I'm like, it's already sexy, but then they add the Christmas lights. It's like Vienna, but with lingerie. You know what I mean? It's like adds a little layer to it. It's kind of nice. All right, we're gonna get some schnitzel because I think you have to. I think it's the law. They asked me when I was coming in the country, like, you're gonna get some schnitzel, right? And I was like, I have to, right? They're like, yeah. Guys, so basically we're here. We're about to get all-you-can-eat Japanese food. It's about to be crazy. She doesn't want me on camera.
Get out of here with that.
All right, so I'm only catching her hand.
You know that this device doesn't actually catch a soul. Like, it just takes a picture. It's like painting.
This guy's the most boring guy I've ever met.
Just like painting.
he never like fucking smiles or anything. All right, here we go. You guys remember him from fucking New Orleans?
Oh yeah.
Of course, guys. He was the star of New Orleans. Come on.
The star was Elvis. Come on.
Oh shit.
How long have you lived in Vienna?
I am awake, right, guys?
You should.
Oh my god, some dim sum. So many dim sum.
Oh. All right, man. You gotta win this one.
Oh my word, scallops.
This is one for each because if you have one more, then you pay for it. So.
Okay.
We're doing some shopping for this party. We're about to go have a great time. You guys prepared? I'm prepared. I'm ready to go. This fucking dude, like, y'all don't even know. This shit is fucking gorgeous. We got nothing like that in America. This girl's also gorgeous. We got nothing like that in America. Balls are held. Yeah. The balls.
Yeah.
All right. She knows. She knows all about the balls. This is where the balls are held. They're royal balls.
The real one.
They're royal balls, so they're better than everyone else. So we we're finding a secret shit. There's an elevator on the side of the goddamn thing. She's showing it to me. There's a cafe down this bitch. I'm excited. Can you hear that music?
Inside a secret.
It's supposed to be good. It's about to be good.
From a real Austrian.
Hey, when you're right, you're right. Hey. I'm
So what's
excited.
going to happen right
This is a Bourbon Street, bro. It's like New Orleans. Kind of nice. My bad. That light is crazy. My girl out here eating grilled cheese.
Bourbon Street?
You're the man. That's exactly it. My girl out here eating grilled cheese, bruh. I like her though. She's cute. She's a cutie.